Okay. So the problem statement is job sequencing with deadlines. Okay, that means you have some job to complete. Okay, say you can treat you can consider these jobs as your say assignments. Okay, so you have subjects, you have 4 or 5 subjects, and each subject teacher has given some assignment to you, and they have given their own deadlines. Like say you have subject 1, and they say, okay, your deadline is you need to complete within 4 days. Okay, and if you do that, you will get some points. You will get say five marks for that. Okay, similarly your subject 2 will say, yeah, you need to complete say by Friday. You have like 5 days time, and if you do that, you will get 10 marks. Okay, so similarly every subject has a deadline and a profit. Okay, now the assumption is, okay, before we come to the constraint, what is your objective? So you have limited amount of time. Okay, you need to make sure you need to pick the right subject or the right job. Okay, and complete that assignment so that you get maximum profit. Maximum profit means you want to get more marks. That is your intention, right? So you will pick say you have subject 1 whose deadline is very close, right? If you don't do that, like say, let me give an example. Say, okay, let's take ADA. Okay, let's say you have another subject, say Java, right? Say ADA teacher, say I give you deadline which says you can complete the assignment in 5 days. Okay, and you will get 10 marks for that. Okay, now similarly, say your other subject teacher says you have 2 days time. Okay, and you get 5 marks for that, right? Which one will you pick first? If you have this option, which one will you pick first? Yeah, anybody? Which one would you? Okay, you want to pick ADA, why?
Because it is 10 marks and also we have 5 days.
Yeah, okay, say, but okay, now let me add one more constraint to it. Every assignment, okay, will take just 1 day for you to finish. Okay, so even if you do ADA, you can finish that in 1 day. Even if you do Java, you can finish that in 1 day. Okay, so every assignment that is given, you can finish it in 1 day. Okay, so now with this new constraint, how will you pick up? Will you do only ADA, or can you do, will you do only Java, or will you do, is it possible within this time to do both ADA and Java? Anybody? You just need 1 day. Say you take 1 day. Say you're starting today. Okay, so you need 1 day to complete one subject. You need 1 more day to complete another subject. Okay, so although you have like 5 days time. Okay, so let me visually show you. Say you have 5 days time. So because maximum you have 5 days. For 5 days you have. Okay, what are the possible days you can do ADA? You can do ADA here also. If you start today, you can finish it today. You can do ADA tomorrow also. Any of these days you can do. Okay, but max 5 days. You cannot take up your ADA assignment and do on the 6th day. This will not be, even if you submit, you complete and give it on the 6th day, you will not get any marks, right? So max is you can submit your ADA by 5th day. Okay, now similarly, if you want to do Java, okay, let's say you want to do Java. What are the possible days that you can pick Java? You can do Java on the 1st day. You can also do Java on the 2nd day. But if you do Java on the 3rd day, it is not accepted because it is going beyond your deadline, right? None of these days you can do Java. So you have 2 options here, right? So what you can do is, will you just submit, say suppose on the 2nd day, you completed Java, you submitted your Java assignment. Will you just keep quiet or will you pick up your next assignment? So you can pick up ADA on either of these days, 3rd or 4th or 5th, and you can complete ADA also. So what in the given time frame of 5 days, You can do Java, you can do ADA. Is that correct? Any subject or any job, it takes only 1 day. Okay, but why have I put 5 times ADA here? Why have I put 5 times? It takes only 1 day, right? Why did I put 5 times? 5 times because I can complete in any of these days. So I can do on any of these days before or on the day of the deadline, right? I cannot do anything beyond the deadline, but I can do on the deadline or anything before the deadline. Yeah, clear? Okay, so let's continue. So the coming back to the job scheduling with deadline problems. So you have jobs, you have deadlines, you have profits. Your objective is to get maximum profit and also to complete within the deadline. So what are the constraints? Constraints is each job takes only 1 day or 1 unit of time. Okay, this is like given assumption. Any job you pick, it will get completed in 1 day or 1 unit of time. Okay. Secondly, you will get profit only if you complete the job, only if the job is done before or on the day of the deadline. That is within its deadline. If the job gets scheduled, if you pick up a job and do it later than the deadline, you will not get any profit. Okay, these two are the constraints. So now let's look up, okay, what is the solution for this? Solution is, so here, what is PI, right? So here I said J1, J2, J3, etc. up till JN are the jobs. D1, D2, D3, etc. up till DN are the deadlines. And P1, P2, P3, P4, etc. are the profit. So your objective is to maximize the profit. That's what is given here. So sum, whatever jobs you have selected, right? So J is all your full set of jobs. In that you will pick only some jobs which can be done. Whichever job you can do it, you will pick that. Okay, so that's why I is a subset of J. And your whatever jobs you have picked, you're going to add up all the profit. That is your overall solution. Okay, so in this case also you will get a lot of feasible solution. You need to pick the optimal solution. So which one is optimal solution? Optimal solution is or any of the feasible solution with maximum profit.
Same thing. Okay. So here they're saying solve the job sequencing problem given n is 5. N means there are 5 jobs. Okay. When you say n is 5, that means it means there are 5 jobs to be done. So each, when you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this means if you do job 1, you will get profit 1. If you do job 2, you will get profit 2. That's what it means. And the deadlines are, so that means this is the deadline for job 1. If you do job 1 should be done before day 1. Job 2 should be done before day 2. That's what it means, right? So we just have to rearrange this. Same thing like we did in knapsack. Just rearrange this 1, 5, 20, 15, 10. You just below that you put deadline. This is profit. This is deadline. Right? Now, because this is greedy, we want to maximize the profit, no? So every time we've seen this so many times. Anytime you want to maximize, you will do in decreasing order. Yeah, here it's there, right? You will do in decreasing order of the profit. You just have to rearrange this in a decreasing order of the profit. So here, look at the profit. That means look at this part. Right? So decreasing means, say this is your job, 1, 2, no. You will pick this first. So job will be 3. Profit is 20. Deadline is 4. Next, decreasing order, this one, right? So you should pick this set. So you have job 4. Profit is 15. Deadline is 1. Then decreasing order. So we'll pick this. This is job 5. Profit is 10. Deadline is 3. And then you pick this. Job 2. Profit is 5. Deadline is 2. And finally, job 1. Profit is 1. Deadline is also 1. This is clear? Okay. So let's look at, let's pick up the one which is maximum profit. So I'll pick up this job 3. Job 3, what is the deadline? So I can put here, right? I can do it on day 1. I can do it on day 2, or I can do it on day 3, or I can do it on day 4 also. Okay. Say, like most of us, we do it only on the last day, right? So I've just, for now, for understanding purposes, I've just put it in day 4, but you can do here also. You can do here also, you can do here also. Okay. So I picked up third job, J3. I picked up third job. And if by doing that, I will get the profit of 20. This step is clear. Next, let's pick up this job, J4. Which day can I put J4? First step, when you get this problem, maximize profit. No, when you say max profit, what you should do? You should rearrange, right? Decreasing order of profit. Yes, no? Okay. So always, no, let's pick the first one, job 1. How many days it has deadline? Day 4. Okay. What is the deadline for job 1? So let me put here, I can put 1 also, but I can put it, let me put it in day 2. Okay. So this is this is feasible solution number 1. Okay. So I am doing 2 job, and what is my profit? Oh. Now this is solution number 2. This is solution number 1. This is solution number 2. Okay, let me see if I can also do job 4. Okay. So first job 4, what is the deadline? Yeah, so I will do it on, can I put on day 2, day 3, day 4, or should I put it in day 1 only?
Only day.
Only day 1. Okay. So every time you do second solution, no, you will always, without thinking anything, you will directly put this. Okay. Now next extra thinking, what you have to do is, okay, I picked J4. See here, it was already J1. I picked J4. Can I also pick what was previously selected? What was previously selected? Can I also pick J1? So this one more choice you have to check. Can I do J1? Because J1 will be done on second day, right? This is okay. So what will be the sequence? Which job I have to do first, which I have to do second, and then you will do job 1. What will be the profit?
120.
Okay. Can I put 1, 4 here? When I say 1, 4 means what? I put job 1 here, and then I put job 2 here, 1, 4. This is what 1, 4 means. Is this correct or wrong? Correct. Correct. Job 4 has deadline of this one. Okay, now we are done with both these options. Now let us, this solution also, one more feasible solution we got. Let's see other feasible solutions. What are other feasible solutions possible? Let's pick solution number 3. For this, I will take job 3. Whenever you pick new job, no, blindly you check and you add it. 3. Right? So where should I put this? I'll put, this is day 2, right? So I'll put here. This is job 3. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to also check. I put job 3. Can I also do with, say, previously selected jobs, job 1 or job 4? Right? Any of these combinations, it is possible or not, I have to see. First, let me see job 2 and job 4. Where is job 4? Here. Can I do this? Job 1 and job 3 and job 4. Is this okay? This is okay, right? Okay. This is okay. So what I'll do is, I picked this job 3. Okay, now what is the sequence? It is 4, 3, correct? Correct. Now I'm doing job 4 first, then I will do job 3 first. Next. Okay. So what is the profit if I do this? Any doubt how I got 42? We saw one combination. I said we should check all other combinations which are possible, right? We did 3 and 4. Can we do 3 and 1? So how will that look like? 3, which color we did? Yeah, 3 is always here. Okay. What is 1? Okay. Look at this now. Anybody tell me, is 3 and 1 possible? Only way I can put 1 is here. Okay. Is this possible? 3 and 1? It's a possible, right? So I can do this also. 1 and 3 also possible for me, right? So with this, what will be the profit? And 1 and 3, 115. Correct. Any other combinations possible? 3 and 4 I did, 3 and 1 I did. Okay. Now, any combination of sequence I can do between, is 1 and 3 hard and fast, or can I do 3 and 1 also? I can do this first. This is also possible. No? Both are meeting their deadlines. Very good. J3, J1. This is also possible, right? Both are same. It's just the solution. Like the sequence. We said this is sequence, right? Sequence means in the order that you do 1, 3 also you can do, 3, 1 also you can do. Both are possible. In both cases, we get 150. Okay, so we are done with J3. Now let us look at the final. So I'm going to look at J4. This last one, J2. Okay, so I need to draw some more blocks. Where I should put job 2?
Day 1.
Day 1. This is the only possible combination. I don't have a choice because deadline is 1 only. So I put job 2 here. Now I put job 2, but what did we say? We should also check any other combinations are possible. So between already previously selected one. So just look at the previously selected one, J4, J3. We need to try all these 3 combinations now. Now 2 and 3, job 2 with job 3. So you tell me this combination. Okay. Job 2 is here always. Okay. What is the option I have with job 3? Where can I put job 3? This is job 3. This is correct, no? Correct combination, right? Yeah. Always you do this, no? You should check, is 3 and 2 possible? Can I reverse this? Can I put 3 first and 2 later?
No, ma'am.
Never, because this will not violate. 1 means it has to be in the starting position only. So we tried this combination. Let us try 2 and 4 also. J2, J4. Right? J2 means I have to put first only. Right? This is J2. Where I can put this we did. This one we are doing. Where I can put J4? No, because J4 is also first one. So I cannot put both together. This is wrong. This possible combination is not possible. Okay. So this I cannot do. Let's try other combinations. What are the other combinations? I'll try J2 with J1. Let's try this. J2 and J1. Is this, let's try. J2 is here. Right? Where can I put J1? Okay. I can put here. Right? I can put J1. Right? So he said this is not possible. So here 2 and 1. What is the profit? Just look at and see, have we covered all the combinations? Any other combination possible? So when you pick J3, you check with J4 also, you check with J1 also. And when you took J4, always check with all the previous combinations. So you will never miss any of the feasible solutions. Okay, we got so many feasible solutions. This is solution 5, this is solution 6, this is solution 7. Right? Now tell me which one is the optimal solution. This one, right? 127. This is highest. So which combination is the optimum solution? Doing
Job.
job 4 and then job 1, right? And then the profit for that is 127, right? Other way to write optimal solution is you can do it this way, because this will also tell which day you did. So what is the time slot? Okay, and what is the job that you did? Right? Because if you just say 4,1, we don't know whether it is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, right? So we have to say this is 1, this is 2. That means this is day 1, day 2. And here we'll say we are doing job 4, we are doing job 1. So you should also put the summary table. This is same what we did here only. Same thing. You need to put it like this.